Hi, you just finished the 3 types of negotiating quiz. Give me a finger and I'll take an arm. As assertives, it's so important for us to win. We're very, very competitive people, and we just love winning. But sometimes we're so sure of ourselves of winning that we overlook a very important detail. And that's a detail of developing relationships with people and the importance and the impact that has in a negotiation. You know, and as assertives, sometimes in our negotiations, we pay more attention to like the flashy things like the salary or the job position or title. And we don't look so much at the more mundane things like maybe the commute to and from work that will have a larger impact maybe on our overall satisfaction of the job. So anyway, what's the solution to all this? As assertives, by applying a bit of tactical empathy and emotional intelligence and focusing on developing a relationship with people and maybe not getting in people's faces or preventing people perceiving that we're getting in people's faces because we want to win and we're very assertive and we're very gung-ho that we're gonna achieve this. We back off a little bit and use that tactical empathy and use that empathy. You know, Stuart Diamond says that people are 6 times more likely to deal with somebody that they like, and that gives you a really big edge. For more information, click now and learn more about assertives and negotiation skills and negotiation workshops. Thanks for listening.